Most people think money is complicated, but the truth is, it's not complicated. It's misunderstood, and once you understand how it really works, you stop chasing money and start controlling it. Welcome to the Picasso Lifestyle. Let's break it down. Ever wonder why some people always seem to have money, while others are constantly broke? It's not luck, it's not talent, it's understanding. Money is simply a tool to exchange value, store energy, and move opportunity through time. The problem is, most people use it emotionally instead of strategically. Here's something most people don't know. Most money is not printed, it's created digitally. When banks give out loans, which means money is built on systems, not just effort. Now let's talk about how money comes to you. There are three main paths: your time, your ideas, and your assets. Most people trade time for money, but the real shift happens when money starts coming from assets, then comes spending. This is where most people lose control because spending feels good in the moment. But every time you spend without thinking, you're transferring your future into the present. Saving is simple, but powerful. It gives you breathing room. It gives you options. And in a world of uncertainty, options are everything. But saving alone is not enough, because money sitting still loses value over time. That's where investing comes in. Investing turns money into a system that works for you. Now let's talk about debt. Debt is not always bad. Used correctly, it can accelerate growth. But used blindly, it becomes a silent trap, one that keeps you working for money instead of the other way around. So what's the real system? Earn, spend wisely, save consistently, invest intelligently, then repeat. This is the cycle that builds wealth. But here's the truth most people ignore. Money doesn't start in your wallet. It starts in your mind, your habits, your discipline, your awareness. That's what controls everything. So start small, think differently, move with intention, and over time, you won't just earn money, you'll understand it. And once you understand it, you control it.